packets and send it to somebody else. And then using a data sniffer software, you can record the data packets being sent or received on a network. So since here in this demonstration, I'm going to execute a DOS attack against the local network that I'm connected to right now. I'm going to use a data sniffer to show you what it kind of looks like. Because otherwise, first of all, you got to click on adapter to select the adapter that you are using to connect to the internet. Right? So you may be connected to the internet using Wi-Fi, using Ethernet, or so on, right? So I'm right now connected to the internet using Ethernet cable or LAN cable. I'm going to select the Ethernet option. Right? So it says operational, and this is my IP, and this is my gateway, and so on. Right? So I'll click on OK. So the first step was you got to select the adapter that you are using to connect to the internet. Next is on the right hand side, where you're seeing 18 different data packets that I'm going to highlight. These are the data packets that you're going to send to the victim's computer. Right? So these are the data packets that you've created that you're planning to send to the victim's computer. On the left hand side are the different fields of that data packet. So let me actually create a new data packet and show you how to change the various fields. So to create a new data packet, let me click on the insert button or add button. So as soon as you click on insert or add, it will ask you what kind of data packet would you like to choose. So I'm going to select TCP packet and click on OK. So a new data packet has been created. So now I can actually change the various fields of that data packet by just modifying the various fields on the left hand side window. So say for example, if you want to spoof a data packet and send it from somebody else's IP address, then in this left hand side window, under the IP field or the IP category or Internet Protocol category, there is a field which says source IP. And source IP you can change to any IP address of your choice. So if you want a DOS attack from somebody else's IP, then you can change the IP to whatever you want over. Next, in the destination IP field, you got to type in the IP address of the victim computer. So it could be 192.168.0.1. That's the victim that I want to choose. Then you can select the port number that you want to send the data packets to. So it could be port 80 or it could be some other port of your choice. The source port and then the destination port. Right? So you could change that to whatever you want. If you would like to change the MAC address, even that is possible. So if you scroll up to Ethernet, you can type in the destination MAC address. You can type in the source MAC address as well. So it's completely up to you. Now to send a specific type of data packet, you gotta go to the flags option. So under flags there are various options. You have synchronize, you have reset, push, acknowledgement, urgent, and so on. So I want to say if I want to send a SYN packet, I will change 0 to 1 in front of SYN. So now it becomes a SYN packet. Now let's assume I want to send a reset packet. Then everything is 0 except in front of reset, I type 1. So depending on the type of data packet you wish to send, you need to modify the flags accordingly. If you remember, we had learned flags in the port scanning class, where I had discussed the meaning of each flag that is possible. So once you've created a data packet like this, you can create as many data packets as you want.